Alright then everyone, let's get into this. Got a great video for you today. I'm going to do 10 trades or 30 minutes, whichever comes first. We're going to be analysing gold and we're going to be using the 4-hour time frame and the 5-minute. So the 4 hours for the directional bias, the 5-minute is for entries, and potentially the 1 minute depending on the chart. So just a bit of an exercise. It's Sunday and I just think it's a great way to go into my week ahead, just to plan and just to give me a bit more of a clear vision. So with that being said, get into the charts and we'll get trading. Right then, so we're just going to go on bar replay mode. Now, if you don't have this, if you don't basically pay for TradingView, I don't think you've got the option for this. So for me, it completely seems worth the money just for this feature on there, never mind everything else that comes with it. So I highly advise paying for it. If you want to up your trading game, you want to get a bit more of an insight and just backtest your strategy, I think it's the way forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close my eyes. I'm not going to go too far back because I won't be able to get on the 1 minute chart if I need it, or if I want it. So just do this. I'm just going to go there. Hopefully we've done it right. So here we go. I'm going to get rid of this picture of me now. We don't need this. It's not necessary. And we'll just focus completely on the trading. So gold, 4 hour. The market is pushing down, clearly in a downtrend. What I want to see is maybe a bit of relief in the market. We could have took some great trades there. Right, you can see there, bullish momentum stepping back in. So what I want now is a bit of bearish momentum in the market. What I want to do is scale down to my 5-minute time frame. So 11 o'clock. I mean, what I can see here as well on the 5-minute, we've pushed up, we've created this double top. We're breaking out of key areas within the market. This being, all right, let's just go for this one. We've clearly broken out of this little area of consolidation, double top. Now we're looking to create lower lows, lower highs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out my last 5-minute candle of the 4-hour candle. Because as you can see, right, so this is the 4-hour candle. That goes from 7 till 11. So the last 5-minute candle, when I say 11, of course, you miss out an hour on gold. From 10 to 11, the markets aren't open. So this is the close of that 4 hour. So what I want to see now is the market pull back, create a wick, and then we're looking to take our entry then based off that. So we've got the wick being created on this now, and the market's starting to push down. It's a bit of a horrible time to be trading, to be honest, but it is just what it is. So now I'm looking for that bearish momentum to step back into the market. This is fine still. This is fine. I'm just looking for that bearish momentum. So at this point, potentially I'll be looking to take my trade. It's a big stop, but it's okay for gold. So now what I am looking for is to go to a 1 to 2, potentially go for a 1 to 3 to target these lows. I'm going to go for a 1 to 2 start. 1 to 2, sell stop entry based on the break of this 5-minute structure. Now, sometimes you can do it based on so this is the 5-minute low in this case, and this is actually the close of the 4-hour candle. So anything below this is the candle pushing bearish. Anything above this is the new 4H pushing bullish. We want to see bearish momentum. So it would have been triggered in on that one. So we've been triggered in. We're just looking. Let's get that. So you've been drawdown. Close to it and take stop loss. Good way to start the trading. Right then, come on, baby. Come on. With this exercise, shall we just do... It'd have been a tough one. So in the live markets, I'd have gone break even on this. Let's do it how I would do it. Would it shut that? I mean to do this way. So we've gone break even on this one. So look, break even on the first trade. No probs. Let's keep going. So what can I see here now? So what I can see is, get rid of that. Let's just clear this up a little bit. It's very interesting because now what I can see is price consolidated, we pushed down a little bit, but now the bullish momentum is stepping back into this market. And you can clearly see that with this 4-hour candle now breaking and closing above the structure. So based on my strategy, I just want to be buying this now, anticipating that the next 4-hour candle will be bullish. The 5-minute structure is on my side. I don't particularly like this area, but we're just going to do this. This is how we'll trade. Potentially, I might not take this in the live markets, but let's just go for it. Let's see what happens. Same principle applies. Let's see if we can get some buying pressure out of this area. Interesting. All right. Let's have a look here. Not quite sure about this trade, to be honest. We'll go for 1 to 2. See if we can get that bullish continuation back up to... I don't really like the idea of this trade, to be honest. It's something which I find funny about it. But, let's see. We got triggered. Straight stop loss. All right, it's fine. Didn't really like the idea of that one because overall the sentiment in the market was really bearish. But look, this next candle's closed bullish, so is that still that candle? What's going on here now? We're still on that candle. Horrible structure. Right. The buyers are clearly in the market. We got unfortunate. We got triggered on that one and stopped out. It's no problem. So we're looking for buys still. You might find that it's a bit of a boring exercise, but I think it's good just to drill things into your mind. So maybe we can find a bit of support here. I just don't really... I feel like I want to see a good, decent pullback on this. I don't know, I just don't. What's the situation here? What's this next 4H looking like? Bullish. So I wouldn't have took a trade there. This is the 7 to 11 candle. So let me just catch this up to 11 o'clock. Where are we here now? So one more candle, and then that'll be that 4H. That'll be this 4H now. You can see that bullish momentum coming in, closing, breaking above structure, as you can see there. So now I'm looking for buys. Potentially we'll pull back into this area of support. Something a bit funny about this again, but it is what it is. And what I've learned is that sometimes the trades which feel funny are the ones which you should be taking. So I'm going to put my stop loss below this area here, this area of support. And then we're going to be looking for the flip. So anything above this is the new 4H pushing bullish. And I'm just going to do it on the break of the 5-minute structure. And we're going to go for our 1 to 2 and see what we get going. Hopefully we can get TP on this one. Right, so we're definitely in this trade. Take profit. Bosh. That's what we like. So I forgot to write it actually. So -1 on this one. -1. This one we're +2. +2. So we're carrying on. So we're currently 1 hour up. So we've had a break even, -1 and a +2. So we're 3 trades in and we're 10 minutes in. All right, the buy momentum is clearly still on our side. The 11 till 3 4-hour candle. Now, what I can see is that we are pushing into this area of what will be resistance. Overall, this market is it's a bit of a tough one, this, because we are pushing into this key area of resistance. What I'm going to see is I just want to see a bit of relief in the market or something. Right. Bloody hell. Probably could have got a good trade on that one. I'm just going to wait patiently, you know. Oh my God. You see, we definitely could have took some trades all the way up here. We definitely could have took some trades. And this is all part of the exercise. You know, I'm looking at this area here, but should I even have been bothered? Maybe not. We probably could have took a beautiful trade on this one. Anyway, let's move on. I'll probably take this one now. We've had a pullback. Buyers are back in the market. Probably get stopped out on this one now. It's like I say, the trades which you think I probably shouldn't take are the ones that you should be taking. Right. Let's go. Let's see what we've got going. Definitely could have took some trades in all of that. 100% maybe. I'm sure we could have. 9, 10, 11. Anyway, forget about it. Move on. So I want to see a pullback on the wicks being created on the 4H. I don't like this at all, to be honest. So we've created a wick on the 4H. Let's give it another 5 minutes. Oh my God. Right, let's go for it. I'm going to put our stop loss below this structure here. I'm going to get triggered on the break of this 5 minute structure. We're going to go for the 1 to 2. I mean, would have probably gone break even on that, but let's just see how it goes out. So if we've not gone break even, would have it take profit on that? Would it have gone 1 to 1? It would have gone 1 to 1. It'd have gone 1 to 1. Anyway, it would have been a winning trade. So that's that. It just shows how this strategy still works. So it's not an issue. And based off them last trades, which I should have took, I'm going to continue. So the 11 till 3. So let's wind this on till 3 o'clock. To get that last 5 minute candle. And it's a very simple method. The hardest thing about it is judging. You know, sometimes you've not got the cleanest structure and it's quite hard to just judge how big the pullback is going to be to create the wick on the 4H. Right, so whoosha. Right, so that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to skip it till 7. It's clearly a bearish 4-hour candle. I'll just take 1 bar off that, and then we'll have this 4-hour candle. Interesting. Because I'm going to take a sell on this. I'm going to take the sell. Broke back in structure in some sort of way. Got a bearish engulf in there. I think we should sell it. Let's look for that pullback. Come on. Is it left without me? It's gone. All right, we missed that one. That would have been the one. This would have been the trade. Oh. This would have been the trade. You could have got into it, but it's not. It's not necessarily exactly how I trade, but what the hell? I'm not sure what's going on there with that. Forget that. Anyway, that would have been a really nice trade. 6.55, 7. So 7. Got a few more hours left of this candle. Let's have a look how this 4H would have closed now. obviously bearish. Bearish into this key area of support. Right, I'm looking for buys. So I was technically trading against the trend with that, looking for them sells. But just with that bearish engulfing, coming back into this area of structure, you could have got a trade on that. There's no reason why you couldn't have took this as a sell. There's no reason why you couldn't have took this as a sell. People might argue with me, yeah, but why is that doing that? Yeah, but you're trading against the trend. Why is it doing that? What's going on with this? I don't like that. Let me see now. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me see. So you could definitely have took this sell and you could definitely have hit a 1 to 2, no problem. So even though you're saying, oh yeah, but that's not right. What is right and wrong? If you make money, you make money. If you hit take profit, you hit take profit. This would have been a winning trade. It would have been a beautiful trade. The 5-minute structure is on your side. It's a sell bias market. There's nothing else to say, in my opinion. But now, because we've clearly got this buying pressure back into the market, we're breaking above structure, breaking above this higher high here. The buyers are clearly in the market. I'm just looking for those buy continuations now. It's obvious which way the market's going. We've pushed into this higher low here, pushed into this higher low here. The bullish momentum stepping back in. We're looking for buys. Let me get rid of that. We can't count that. So this is the close of the 5-minute and the 4-hour, as I mentioned before. So I'm looking for a wick to be created now on the new 4-8. So anything below this is a wick. The wick has been created. We're just going to take this trade. This would be a safe option. This is a bit more risky, but to be honest, we've got a wick created. The bullish momentum is clearly stepping back into the market there with this. Let's go. Let's see. Aye. It's dragging its feet. I mean, we might, if we're going break even, would have been stopped at break even, but I just wanted to see if that would have worked. So that goes to show, if it had not gone break even on them others, would be up some more here. But it just cements the strategy in my mind. You can see how it works. You'd have been in it for a long time, but what does it matter? If you've got 140 grand FTMO account, you make 2%, 2,800 quid for 12 hours work. It's not a bad do, really. It's looking for bullish momentum, step back in. Bullish momentum, step back in. I'm just looking for buys until proven otherwise, really. Unless you think you can take a bit of a reversal trade, trading against the trend. If you can catch one, why not? So how far are we now? We're 18 minutes in. I wonder how many trades we've took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trades. Look at this, bit of a messy structure, but the 4H did close bullish, breaking and closing above structure. Just rinse and repeat the process over and over again. And overall, you just want your strategy to basically pay you out based on statistics. That overall, if you take the same pattern over and over again, you should come out a winner eventually, just like casinos make money. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking it. So let's do it. It's a bit messy. It's an awful, awful time. It's the worst time of the day that you can possibly be trading this, because we're going to So we've not been triggered. Right, so now we've been triggered. Am I leaving my stop loss there? Definitely. Come on. Get in there. That's what we like. That's a beauty. It's a beauty. Let's keep going. Whee. Let's keep going. So the 11 till 3 candle. That was a lovely trade, that. That was a lovely, lovely trade. They're the ones I dream of in my sleep. Right, same principle applies. This is going without me. It's going without me. Sometimes this happens. Would I want to take this now, all being that it's already pushed up? See, I wouldn't want to take it there. You're missing too much potential. You could take it here now and be triggered on this. So this is your wick now created, a deeper wick than you'd have got a tiny little wick on this based off that candle there. That tiny little wick there. You would have created a wick on the 4H with that. Only a mini one. But now this is a bigger one. We're going to do it, champs. This is what it's all about. It's what it's all about. Hit the button. Yeah. Oh, would we have been stopped on that? Right. Let's just work this out. Let's just work this out now. Like I said, you know, if I was to do it in the live markets, see, this is what actually is a great thing, because even on this, let's say I didn't go break even on this one, right? Didn't go break even on that. So what was the setup? Say I didn't go break even on that, and we just took the trade based on this. So this would have been the trade. Oh, would it have been this? Why has it done that again? Why has it done that? I don't like that. Messing me about. Going for the 1 to 2. So let's say I got stopped on that one. -1. And I'm wasting a bit of time here on this 30-minute challenge or whatever I'm doing. So let's just say -1. It's -1. And let's just say that we called this one, this is +1. Let's just say we're doing this without going break even. That's +2. Oh, that's +2. Oh, excuse me. +2. +2, +2. This is +2. +2. This is +2. And this is +2. So up together we're on 2, 4, 6, 8. 8, 10, 9, 8. So I'm +8R. Now, you could have passed your challenge, depending on which prop firm you are using. You could have passed your challenge using this strategy within 7 days and 10 hours. Using this strategy in November. All right? That's how you could have passed your challenge. First phase, 8%. If FTMO is 10%, so we're cooking with gas here. We're cooking with gas. This is what I need to be doing. Executing with confidence and just trading without any of that fear. As I say, financial freedom lies here. That's what I say to myself. 3 bullish candles. I'm just going to go for it. If we lose one on this, we lose one. So what time's that at now? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hang on, I'm confused now. So this is the next 4 hour. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I hope you're all following along with this. That would have been a beauty of a trade. So what I'm taking from this is maybe I shouldn't always go break even. So we're just looking for them buy continuations. We have pushed a long way without any relief, but, you know, breaking out a 5-minute structure. Is this going to be... Alright, this is going to be a relief candle, as I will call it. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So I'm looking for the next 4H to be bullish. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wind this on till 7. Right, so that's bullish now. We've had a bit of relief in the market. Let's get the last 5 minutes. So you can see there now, that bullish close. Now the pullback for a bit of relief. You see this time and time again, yeah? Look, we push up, the next candle's bearish, and then we go bullish. Big push, 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 and then you get a bearish candle for a bit of relief in the market, and then you go bullish. Fair enough, we had 2 here. This one, look, big push up, bearish, next candle, bullish. So on, so on. Not saying that happens every time, but, you know, it's just something which I notice. Bit of relief. You have that big push up. The market can't go in one direction forever. You need a bit of relief in the market. Right, so we'll create a wick on the 4H. We've pushed into this area. We've got a bit of support going on, so I'm going to place my stop loss below structure. I can't go on the 1 minute time frame anyway. So if this was the case, you're putting your buy stop there. Just looking for that bullish continuation. We've been triggered and a stop loss. It's about time. It's about time. But what I'm going to see now is if that we have a bit of a deeper wick pullback. Deeper wick pullback. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9. Oof. Deeper wick pullback. Let's see. Let's see what this is all about now. Deeper wick pullback. Re-enter. The deep wick pullback. This should close bullish. Oh, no. What I'm going to do is going to wait for this next candle. Right. I won't have entered there. Just wait for this candle now. This next candle is going to be the close. So now what I want to see is price to just pull back, create a wick based on... Oh, hectic. Really hectic. What's going on? That is a massive, massive stop loss. But is it for gold? Gold can do these sort of moves. Pushed into this key area. Time is ticking here. Time is ticking. Pushed into this key area here. We've got that bullish momentum stepping back in. Man, can we get that? It's a big boy. It's a big boy. Let's go. Stop loss. All right then. So we're 29 minutes in. Let's have a look. Let's see which way this... Oosh. Could have took the sell out of that. Let's just have a look here now. Forget. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. Might be a dodgy one. It's gone without me. It's gone. That's it. No more trades. Let's see how we're done. We've done half an hour there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. -1, -2. Bracket break even. +2, +4, +6, +8. Is that right? Yeah. -2, +6. All within. Let's have a look. 6%, 10 days. That's it. And if you look, it's all going up overall. The 4-hour chart, look at that. It's beautiful structure. Beautiful structure. Could have got some great trades on that in the live markets. And all it comes down to is just executing with confidence, just getting in them trades, trusting your analysis, trusting the higher time frame analysis. There's nothing else to it, really. And that's how I'm going to execute my trades coming into this week. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that, everyone. Some really great analysis there, if you was to ask me. You may not agree with my style of trading, but this is how we do it around here. So, hope you enjoyed that one. Take care. See you all in the next video.